Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to change your MacBook mouse scroll direction. So step 1, click on this little Apple icon from this corner. Select System Settings. Now you will land on this general page. Scroll down to Mouse. And here you can, next to natural scrolling, you can check this option. For example, I am trying it now. It is the opposite of what I am used to, and this is for my external mouse. To change the Mac mouse scroll direction for the trackpad, select trackpad instead of mouse and do the same thing for first select scroll and zoom, and here next to natural scrolling disable this option. And now when I am moving, yes, now it is also the opposite. No, this time it was what I am used to. And if you want to change the mouse scroll direction, enable this option next to natural scrolling. And now when I move when I'm pointing down, it is scrolling up. And this is how to change your MacBook mouse scroll direction. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.